Here.
You can eat the potato
He's eating
part.
his potatoes.
You haven't put it in his mouth.
Yeah, he had. Oh, he's been eating. He's just trying to figure out how to get more in his hand. But he's got some, so he's like, what the heck?
Here, let me put it back in
Playing
a bunch.
now.
Yeah, he likes it in a pile.
Aww.
There you go. There you go.
There.
He's eating good stuff. Oh my God, what was that? He's eating good tonight.
He likes the mashed potatoes like his mama.
Don't eat that off the cooler. Don't eat it. Yeah.
Alex.
Oh,
No. Okay,
He
that's
can't get all
too
that in
much.
his mouth. That's what he's doing right there. He's just feeling it. He's not getting it all in his mouth.
Is he eating it?
Yeah, he's...
It looks like he's eating his
Okay.
fingers.
All done.